Hello everyone, this is Female Skills Empowerment and Entrepreneurship Academy. In today's online training, I'll be making a Rollon deodorant, 100% real formula. In this video, I want to show you a step-by-step process on how you can do it by yourself from start to finish. Before we proceed, I want to believe we all know the importance and the uses of deodorant. It prevents unpleasant smell and sweaty armpit when applied. Okay, now let's talk about the chemicals needed to produce a 100% real formula deodorant. You need a non-toxic alcohol, not just any alcohol. The type of alcohol used to make Rollon is essential. It has to be a rubbing alcohol. So in this recipe, I'll be using isopropyl alcohol. Please do not use methanol. Methanol is not meant for Rollon. It is meant for body spray and other products. So I'm using alcohol followed by fragrance oil. You can use essential oil in the place of fragrance oil. All right. And lastly, I'll be using glycerin. And you also need some empty bottles of Rollon. So with me here, I have my empty bottles. So let's get started. Let's look at the measurement and the quantity of chemicals needed for 100 ml of Rollon. Having known the quantity of chemicals needed for 100 ml of Rollon deodorant, let's start the practical. I'll go ahead and measure 22.5 ml of alcohol into each of this bottle. Followed by 7.5 ml of fragrance into each of this bottle, and lastly I'll be adding 17.5 ml of glycerin in each of this bottle. If you are making in a large quantity, you can use a bigger bowl to produce it and then pour it into the Rollon bottles. Carefully watch the video and follow every step. Now, after adding all the ingredients, carefully cover it and allow the ingredients to mix properly and leave it for some minutes for the color to become clear. All right. and boom, my roll-on is ready. Can you see how simple it is to make it? It has become more clear. This is awesome. 100% real formula. Just go ahead and practice this at home, and trust me, you will stop buying roll-on from the markets once you know how to produce it by yourself. And before I end this video, I have to say this once again. Whenever you want to make yours, ensure that you are using a non-toxic alcohol that will not irritate your skin, such as isopropyl alcohol. It is one of the rubbing alcohol. Do not use methanol. Methanol cannot be applied on the skin. It is meant for body spray and other products. Okay? Lest I forget, after this video, I'll be dropping my next video still on roll-on, but this time with organic ingredients. So be expectant. And thanks for being part of today's class. Until I come your way again with other interesting videos. Bye.